Prepare a computer, a Type-C cable, and the miner. Download the corresponding burning package from the official website. First, unzip the ausdriver.zip file, then install the driver by running the install.bat file. The driver will install automatically, and no actions are required during the installation process. After the driver installation is complete, unzip phoenixsuite.zip. Locate the PhoenixSuite tool and open it. Click on Firmware, then click Browse to select the firmware, then click Wipe Part. Connect the data cable to the compute. Ensure the miner remains powered off throughout the entire process. First, press and hold the IP found button on the control board. Then connect the cable to the control board. The PhoenixSuite tool will recognize the control board. The control board will light up with the green lights. The program will start flashing automatically, and no further actions are required during this process. After approximately 30 seconds, the burning process will be complete. The PhoenixSuite tool will display a message indicating the flashing is complete. The control board will show solid red and green lights for 10 seconds, then start blinking. Burning a control board individually follows the same procedure. If the burning is not completed after 3 minutes, please continue to wait or replace the data cable.